from Fujian Xinhong. Today we would like to introduce our new glacier heat press machine for you. You can see we use new colors in this machine. This is pink, mint, black. If you want any other color, please contact us. We will do customization for you. And this machine is lightweight and easy to handle. With this machine, all common transfer methods can be performed. For example, sublimation, heat transfer, and so on. And with the digital controller for temperature and time, the desired settings can be made easily and quickly. And we used innovative lower pattern to provide you evener pressure. And I would like to show the performance of this machine now. And firstly, we need to turn on the machine. Because we will do sublimation today, so we will set the temperature to 200 degrees and the time to be 30 seconds. After setting finished, we need to load the t-shirt into machine. This is a polyester t-shirt. We need to put the t-shirt like this, and just be careful when loading the t-shirt. Then we need to preheat the t-shirt for 3 seconds. Okay, to make it smooth. And this is the sublimation paper. We will need to place the paper on the t-shirt. And we also need to place a Teflon sheet on the design. And then we close the machine. You can see that it is counting down now. When the counting finishes, the machine will beep to alarm you that the printing has finished. And besides from the advantages just mentioned before, you can see the pressure knob here. This is what we call over the center pressure adjustment. So the pressure is evener. And you can hear the beep now. Let's open the machine. Now you can get a very nice DIY t-shirt by yourself. Remember to turn off the machine after printing. And if you have any other questions, please contact us. This is all what we want to share today. Let's see next time. Goodbye.